In this video, we will discuss about question number 4, exercise 8.2, trigonometry. So, what is this question? State whether the following are true or false. This question is based on true or false. So, we are having 5 questions. Which one is true or which one is false? We will read and justify our answer. Clear? So, what is the first question? First question, we are having sine A plus B. Observe, sine A plus B equal to sine A plus sine B. We will prove. We are having left hand side and right hand side. Once we take value of A and B and put and solve, if we are getting left hand side equal to right hand side, then we can say this is true, otherwise false. So I am taking, observe, easy question number first. I am taking, what will be its solution? Sine A plus B equal to this one. I am taking A equal to 30 degree and B equal to 60 degree. I am taking, I am putting left hand side. I am taking left hand side. What is the left hand side? Sine A plus B. Observe carefully, it is easy. What will be the sine A plus B? A is the 30 degree and B is the 60 degree. I am putting sine 30 degree plus 60 degree. 30 degree plus 60 degree will be what? Sine 90 degree. And what will be the value of sine 90? It is the 1. So once we put 30 degree and 60 degree angle, then in the left hand side we are getting 1. So what about the right hand side? I am taking right hand side. So what is the right hand side? Sine A plus sine B. Observe, sine A plus sine B. What is this one? Put the values of A and B. We assumed, let what? We assumed these are the assumed value. Let A equal to 30 degree and B equal to 60 degree we are putting. So sine A is 30 degree plus B is what? Sine 60 degrees. We know well, we studied in the table of specific angles for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. What will be the values of sine theta? Sine theta is for the 0 degree. Sine 0 degree will be 0. Sine 30 will be what? 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree will be what? 1 upon square root of 2. Sine 60 degree will be what? Square root of 3 by 2. And sine 90 degree will be what? 1. So sine 90 will be what? 1. So we are having left hand side. Once we put 30 degree as A and B equal to 60 degree, we are getting 1 left hand side. But what about the right hand side? Sine 30 degree. What is the value of sine 30 degree? 1 by 2. Sine 30 will be 1 by 2 plus sine 60 degree. What will be the value of 60 degree? Sine 60 degree will be square root of 3 by 2. Square root of 3 by 2. Solve this one. Take LCM 2 and 2. So we will take 2 as a LCM. 2 is divided by 2. How many times it is going? 1 time. Result will be multiplied by numerator 1 plus 2 divided by 2. 1 time it is going. Result will be multiplied by the numerator square root of 3. It means this is what? Value of RHS. Is it possible to 1? Once we solve this one square root, add this one and divide this one, never equal to 1. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So this one, sine A plus B is equal to sine A plus B. It is not equal. It is not. Sine A plus B is not equal to sine A plus B. It is not true. It is false statement. So its result will be what? False. Clear? Already we studied one question in exercise 8.1. Not 8.1. Yes, 8.1. We observed one question. What is the question? sin A plus B having, I explained there, what will be the sin A plus B, sin A minus B, cos A plus B, cos A minus B. So what is the, this is the one trigonometry formula. Sin A plus B will be what? It is not equal to sin A sin B. It is equal to what? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This is the standard formula. Sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. It is the result. Not equal to, sin A plus B is not equal to sin A sin B. Clear? Once we are having plus there, then there will be plus. But once we use minus there, sin A minus B, then this will be what? Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. One trigonometry form also we studied, cos of A plus B. This can be expanded as cos of A cos B. There is a plus, so we will use minus sin of A minus sin of A sin of B. Once we are having minus there, cos of A minus B, this will be what? Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Clear? So sin A plus B, observe, sin A plus B is what? Sin A. Sin A plus B is what? Equal to, this is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, not equal to this one. So this is what? False. We justified already, no necessary to memorize this one. We are taking 30 degree and 60 degree, left hand side we are solving getting 1, but once we put A equal to 30 degree and B equal to 60 degree, it should be the one. Why? Because left hand side is what? Sin A plus B, so it should be equal to this one, then we can say this is the correct. So we are not getting 1, it means it is wrong. Clear? So sin A plus B is not equal to sin A plus sin B. It is false formula. Its formula is what? Sin A plus B equal to what? Sin A plus B equal to this one, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. These are 4 formula. One is positive, negative, positive, negative. 2 for the sin A plus B, sin A minus B, cos A plus B, cos A minus B. So it is false statement, false result. Sin A plus B is not equal to sin A plus sin B. Clear? Now observe next one. Now question second and third or fourth one, both are same pattern. Observe carefully. The value of sin theta increases as theta increases. Sin theta we studied already in the introduction class. Once we increase sin theta, theta value is going to be increased from 0 to 90. 0 to 90 we are increasing theta, sin theta value is going to be increased. Yes or no? Once we put 0, we are getting 0. 30, 1 by 2. Value is going to be increased. So we can say in the sin theta, increasing as theta. Once we increase the theta, we are putting theta as 0, 30, 45, 60 degree and 90 degree. Theta increases, sin theta increases as theta increases. In the sin theta value will be increased as theta is going to be increased. Yes or no? So theta increases, it means sin theta value is increases. It is true statement. It is true statement. Clear? Now next one, the value of cos theta increases as theta increases. Observe. What about the cos theta? This is the values of the sin theta. Cos theta. I am writing cos theta values for 0 to 90. Sin theta values, we studied sin theta, how we are getting? I explained in the detail in the previous lectures, you observed from these lectures. So sin theta, for theta 0 to 90, values will be increased. But for the cos theta, we will reverse of these data. So how sin theta increases from 0 to 1, but cos theta decreases from 1 to 0. Once we in the cos theta, theta increases from 0 to 90, cos theta values will be decreasing. So we will reverse of this. So 1 will be there, this will be there, square root of 3 by 2, this will be as it is, this will be there, and this will be there. It means what? Once in the cos theta, theta is increased, cos theta value will be 1 to 0. It means what? Decreasing order. Cos theta values will be decreased. So the value of cos theta increases. No, cos theta value is going to be decreases. Cos theta value will be what? Going to be decreases as theta increases. Once we increase theta, cos theta value is going to be decreases. So this is false statement. This is false, not true. the value of cos theta increases, not increases, decreases. So when it will be the true, the value of cos theta decreases as theta increases. Clearly? So that time this given statement will be what? False. This is false. So first one is false, second one is true, third one is what? False. Now two questions are remaining. Observe. Sin theta equal to cos theta for all values of theta. Observe. Easy. From these, for all values of the theta, all values of the theta, it means 0, 30 degree, 40 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, all values of the theta, sin theta values will be equal to this one. For the 0 degree, this is 0, this is 1, not equal. For 90 degree, this is 1, sin theta is the 1 and cos theta is what? For 90 degree, 0 degree. So both values are not equal. Sin theta is not equal to 0. Sin theta is not equal to for all values. Sin theta is not equal to. Sin theta is not equal to for all values of the theta. Sin theta is not equal to. But once we are using theta equal to 45, observe, once theta equal to 45 degree, sin theta is equal to cos theta. Only theta equal to 45 degree we are getting the same values. Sin theta equal to cos theta only for the theta equal to 45 degree. Theta equal to 45 degree, then sin theta equal to cos theta. But for all values of the theta, sin theta is not equal to cos theta. So this given statement is what? True or false? Sin theta is not equal to cos theta. Not equal to. Sin theta equal to cos theta for all values theta will be wrong statement. So it is false. And only theta equal to 45 degree, then we can say true. Clear? So this will be the result. Sin theta equal to cos theta for all values of the theta is what? False statement. Observe, it is in the front of you. Only theta equal to 45, both values will be equal, but other angles we are having what? Different values. Clear? So for all values, not possible. Now last question is what? Cot A is not defined. Cot A is not defined for A equal to 0 degree. Not defined. Observe this thing. Not defined means infinity. Not defined means result is infinity. Observe, easy one. How we will solve? Cot A. Observe, I am writing there. Small question, so I am solving there. Question number what? Fifth one. What is the question? Cot A is not defined. Cot A equal to not defined means infinity. Cot A equal to infinity. Cot A equal to infinity when A equal to 0 degree. A equal to 0 degree. It means once we put cot 0 will be equal to infinity. Observe. What will be the value? Cot 0 can be written as 1 upon tangent 0. Yes or no? Cot 0 degree, cot theta is the reciprocal of tangent theta. Or tangent theta will be what? Sin theta upon cos theta. Or we can also say what? Cot theta is the reciprocal tangent theta, or it is the ratio of cos theta upon sin theta. Cos theta upon sin theta. Now theta is what? 0 degree. A equal to what? 0 degree. A equal to what? I am writing clearly so you can understand. I am going to rough this one. Observe. This one is what? The values of cos theta increases as theta increases. This is false. Clear na? The values of cos theta decreases as theta increases. Now observe question number fifth one. Cot A is not defined. Cot A will be what? When cot A is not defined. Cot A equal to infinity. Cot A equal to infinity we are having for A equal to 0. What? A equal to 0 degree. So I am taking left hand side. What is its left hand side? Cot A. What is the cot A I am taking? A equal to what? A is 0 degree. So we can first cot theta is the reciprocal of tangent theta, or we can say it is the cos theta upon sin theta. Clear? But theta is what? A is what? 0 degree. I am putting cos 0 degree upon sin 0 degree. Now from the table, cos 0 is 1 and sin 0 is what? Sin 0 is what? 0. So 1 upon 0 is what? Infinity. 1 upon 0 is what? Infinity. It means this left hand side equal to right hand side. So what we can say? Cot A is not defined for A equal to 0. Once A equal to 0, it means cot 0 value will be what? Tangent 0 value will be 0. Tangent theta, in the next table we studied what? Tangent theta will be what? 0, 1 upon square root of 3. This is 1, this is square root of 3 and this is infinity. But cot theta values will be what? Tangent theta increases from 0 to infinity, but cot theta values will be decreases, increasing from 0 to infinity. But cot theta, once theta increases, its value is going to be decreased from infinity to 0. So infinity to 0. This will be there, this will be there, this will be there and this will be there, 1 upon square root of 3. So once theta equal to 0, in the cot theta, A is what? Theta, acute angle. A is the theta. Cot theta is not defined. Once theta equal to 0, then cot theta is what? Infinity. Infinity not defined, we can say it means this is the true statement. This is what? True statement. And we observe there. So we understand all the questions. What these questions? Based on the true false, easy questions. Observe again. Sin A plus B is not equal to sin A, sin B. We solve by using A equal to 30 degree and B equal to 60 degree. We are not getting left hand side equal to right hand side. But this is the standard formula and this is equal to what? Sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So it's not possible. So it is a false. The value of sin theta increases is theta increases. In the sin theta, when theta increases, values is going to be increased. So it is the true statement. The value of cos theta increases is theta increases. In the cos theta, theta increases, values are going to decreasing from 1 to 0. So it is a false statement. Now sin theta is equal to cos theta or the values of the theta. In the sin theta and cos theta, for the values of these degrees, only theta equal to 45 degree, both are equal. Otherwise, on other angles, they are not equal, they are different. Only theta equal to 45 degree, sin theta equal to cos theta. For the other angles, they are not equal. So we can say this is false statement. Clear? Cot A is not defined. Cot theta is what? Infinity. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tangent theta and it is infinity. So we can say for A equal to 0 degree, cot theta is this one. Cot 0 will be what? Cos 0. Cot 0 will be cos 0 upon sin 0. Cos 0 is what? 1 and sin 0 is 0 and finally we are getting infinity. So it is what? True statement. So I hope you understand these all things. Once you know the basic concept of trigonometry, then you can easily to solve these types of the questions. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.